If you're constantly running on empty, getting sick, or just feeling off, you might be missing this. This is a 1,000 milligram vitamin C chewable supplement, and it's one of the easiest daily habits you can add for immune support. First off, 1,000 milligrams per serving, that's a strong, effective dose to help support your immune system, especially during cold season, travel, or even just busy weeks when your body needs extra backup. Second, they're chewable, so you don't have giant pills to swallow, and they actually taste good. They have an orange flavor, and they're not chalky and not weird. Thank you to the company for sending me this awesome product. It's great tasting, very affordable, and very effective. I highly recommend it.